I spent 2 years perfecting this lip balm recipe, and it built a business that lasted over a decade. I never shared it with anyone, not even close friends. But today, for the first time ever, I'm showing you exactly how I made the lip balm my customers called the best they'd ever tried. Whether you want to make your own lip balm or maybe even start a skincare brand, you're in the right place. At the end, I'll share my top selling flavors, including the ones I could never keep in stock. Here's what you'll need: a precise scale, a thermometer, heat-safe containers, a microwave or double boiler, pipettes, lip balm tubes or tins, labels, and optional shrink wrap sleeves and heat gun. If you're making these to sell or gift, be sure to follow good manufacturing practices, wear gloves, keep everything clean, and throw on a hairnet. You can find the full GMP guidelines online. This recipe makes about 20 standard size lip balms. You'll need 1.5 ounces of coconut oil, 1 ounce of beeswax, 0.3 ounces of sweet almond oil, 3 milliliters of grapeseed oil, 1.5 milliliters of vitamin E oil. There's a little wiggle room with the oil measurements. If you go over slightly, the consistency will still turn out great. For flavoring, I use a brand I really love that offers a huge variety, including organic options. Some flavors are stronger than others, so I recommend starting with 10 milliliters of flavor. You can go up to 30 milliliters if needed, and the texture will stay the same. If you're making an unscented lip balm, just replace the flavor oil with sweet almond oil. Start by melting your coconut oil and your beeswax, using a double boiler or a microwave. Once melted, combine them with the rest of your oils. Because those oils are cooler, you might need to warm up the mixture again for a few seconds. You want the temperature to be 160 degrees or below when you're filling your tubes. Use a pipette to fill your lip balm containers. I also love using these small containers. They're perfect for travel or samples. And if you have leftover lip balm, just store your mason jar in the fridge or freezer. It'll keep for months. Once your lip balm has set, pop the lids on, add your labels, and if you're gifting or selling, use shrink wrap sleeves and a heat gun for a clean, professional finish. And as promised, here are my top 5 best-selling flavors of all time: burnt sugar, cheesecake, maple syrup, banana, and the #1 top-selling flavor consistently over 10 years is pineapple. My seasonal bestsellers were pumpkin pie for fall and gingerbread at Christmas. If you like this video and want to see more like it, make sure to hit the subscribe button. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you next time.